Toncoin has seen a sharp price increase of over 110% in the last week, rising from around $1.35 to a 4-month high near $2.89. The trigger for this move came from a single post by Pavel Durov, the founder of Telegram, on May 4. In that post, Durov announced that Telegram itself is taking direct control of the open network and stepping in as its largest validator. This marks a significant shift, as Telegram had previously maintained a distance from the blockchain it originally built. The move brings a major structural change to the Ton network, which had been managed independently by the Ton Foundation since 2020. Telegram has reportedly staked around 2.2 million Ton tokens to support this transition. The official Ton.org site now reflects control by Tonga, an acronym for Make Ton Great Again, signaling a new phase in the project's development. Alongside this governance shift, Ton has also rolled out a developer stack aimed at integrating with Telegram's roughly 1 billion monthly users. In April, Ton launched Kachin 2, a consensus upgrade that reduced block times from 2.5 seconds to around 400 milliseconds. This improvement in speed is part of a broader effort to enhance performance and reduce transaction fees by 6 times, bringing most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Them close to zero. Pavel Durov framed the goal of this shift as a focus on tech superiority, suggesting that Telegram is now fully committed to the project's technical development. The Ton Foundation, which previously managed the network, is being replaced by Telegram as the primary driver of the project. This transition is not just symbolic, it has practical implications for the network's governance and direction. With Telegram now in the validator seat, the network's future will likely be more closely aligned with the company's roadmap. This could include new developer tools, performance enhancements, and a refreshed website, all expected within 2 to 3 weeks. The integration of Ton with Telegram's massive user base could open new opportunities for adoption and usage of the blockchain. However, the shift also raises questions about decentralization and whether Telegram's increased control will be seen as a positive or a risk by the broader crypto community. The next key signal to watch is the rollout of the new developer stack and the performance of the network under Telegram's stewardship. If the improvements in speed and cost translate into real-world usage, Toncoin could see further price momentum. On the other hand, any resistance from the community or regulatory scrutiny could slow the project's progress. The stakes are high for Toncoin, as the project is now at a crossroads. If Telegram can successfully leverage its user base and technical capabilities to drive adoption, the token could experience sustained growth. But if the network struggles to maintain decentralization or faces pushback from developers and users, the momentum could stall. What's clear is that the May 4 announcement by Pavel Durov has changed the trajectory of Ton. The project is now moving from a foundation-led model to one where Telegram is directly involved in its execution. This shift could either accelerate innovation or create new challenges, depending on how most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The community and market respond. The coming weeks will be critical as Tonga begins to implement its vision. The developer stack and website updates will be key indicators of how the new leadership plans to move forward. If the promised tools and performance upgrades materialize, they could attract a new wave of developers and users to the Ton ecosystem. At the same time, the market will be watching closely to see whether the price action continues to reflect confidence in the project's future. For now, the evidence suggests that Toncoin is at a pivotal moment, with Telegram's involvement reshaping the network's direction and potential.